Hello students, I'm back to you with your favorite YouTube channel, that is Science Guru Sir Alok. And today I'm here with class 8 maths chapter 6, that is square and square root. Dear students, if you remember that from this chapter I have already made two videos. That were square and square root part 1 and part 2. In the first video, that is part 1, I have discussed how to find out the square root of any given number, then what will be the unit digit of the square or square of any given number, or what will be the unit digit of the square root of any given number. Then in the second video, I have discussed about the how to find out the square root of any given number by the process of prime factorization method, then repeated subtraction method to find the square root by the process of repeated subtraction method. And today in this video, I will discuss about the Pythagorean triplet. What are the how to find out the Pythagorean triplet, or what is the Pythagorean triplet? Dear students, Pythagorean triplet. To understand the Pythagorean triplet, if you remember about the Pythagorean theorem, Pythagoras theorem, what is the Pythagoras theorem? In the right angle triangle, the sum of the square of smaller two sides will be equal to the square of the greater sides. As for example, if it is a right angle triangle, in the right angle at B, triangle is ABC. So it will be square of smaller two sides, that is AB square plus BC square equal AC square. So say in case of Pythagorean triplet also, the sum of the square of smaller two numbers will be equal to the square of the third numbers, that is the greater numbers. So to find out the Pythagorean triplet, the question will be like that. They will give you one numbers, and this is one of the Pythagorean triplet. In the Pythagorean triplet we will get three numbers. Suppose we can more easily we can explain like this: x square plus y square equal z square. So x, y and z, three numbers are there. Any one of these three will be given in the question. You have to find out the other two numbers. How to find out these other two numbers? Dear students, before starting the calculation from the given example, first of all we have to remember how to find out this Pythagorean triplet. How to find out this Pythagorean triplet? Here three numbers are there. We can take these three numbers as 2m m square plus 1 and m square minus 1. These are the numbers. The formula is these are the three numbers. Now from these three, any one will be given to you in the question. If we look at the exercise 6.2, question number 2, sub question 1. Question number 2, what is the question? Write a Pythagorean triplet whose one member is 6. In sub question 1, they given one member is 6. Question number 2, sub question 1. One member is what? 6. So from here we can understand either 2m equals 6, or m square plus 1 equals 6, or m square minus 1 equals 6. Now we have to find out this 6 belongs from which one? 2m or m square plus 1 or m square minus 1. If 2m equals 6, then we have to find out m square plus 1 equal how much and m square minus 1 equal how much. If m square plus 1 equals 6, we have to find out 2m equal how much? We have to find out m square minus 1 equal how much. If m square minus 1 equals 6, then we have to find out 2m equal how much and m square plus 1 equal how much. So to find the Pythagorean triplet whose one member is 6, first of all what we will do? Let 2m equal 6. If 2m equals 6, then we will get what? M equal 6 by 2, that is 3. We get m equal 3. Now we are not sure whether this 2m equals 6 or not. So we have to check with m square plus 1 also. If we are checking with m square plus 1, so we write m square plus 1 equals 6. M square equal 6 minus 1. M square equal 5. Then m equal, it will be root 5, which is not possible. Here we cannot get, the value of m should not be the root number, it should be a whole number, like m equal 3 we are getting here. So which is not possible, you can write which is not possible, which is not possible. Again, if we are taking m square minus 1 equals 6, m square minus 1 equals 6, m square minus 1 equals 6, m square minus 1 equals 6. If m square minus 1 equals 6, then what we will get? M square equals 6 plus 1, m square equals 7, m equal root 7, which is also not possible. This root 5 and root 7 is not possible. So that we are what we are getting, m equals 3 and 2m equals 6. That is the correct equation. M equals 3 and 2m equals 6. So one of the Pythagorean triplet is 2m equals 6. The rest two Pythagorean triplets are what? M square plus 1 and m square minus 1. Now we have to find out the value of m square plus 1 and m square minus 1. So that one we are getting what? The first one we are getting what? Two m equals 6. Then second one will be m square plus 1. From this equation we are getting m equal 3. So m square plus 1 equal 3 square plus 1, that is 9 plus 1, that is 10. Another one is m square minus 1. So that we can write 3 square minus 1, 9 minus 1, that is 8. So these are the Pythagorean triplets. Therefore the Pythagorean triplets are what? 6, 8 and 10. The Pythagorean triplets are 6, 8 and 10. 6, 8 and 10. These are the three Pythagorean triplets. Look, 6 square equals 36, 8 square equals 64. So 36 plus 64 is what? 100. 10 square is 100. So that sum of the square of smaller two numbers will be equal to the square of the greater number. This is about the Pythagorean triplet. How to find out the Pythagorean triplet? One more example we can take. Suppose in sub-question 2. Sub-question 2, what is given? 14. Whose one member is 14? Whose one member is given 14? Now we don't know 2m equal 14 or m square plus 1 equal 14 or m square minus 1 equal 14. If 2m equal 14, take let 2m equal 14. So that implies if 2m equal 14, then m equal 14 by 2, that is we get m equal 7. Another one is m square plus 1 equal 14, so that m square equal 14 minus 1, m square equal 13, m equal root 13, which is not possible. This root 13 is not possible because we should get the whole numbers. Then another one is m square minus 1 equal 14, then m square equal 14 plus 1, then m square equal 15, then m equal root 15, which is also not possible. So we get our correct equation is 2m equal 14 and m equal 7. Now if m equals 7, then the rest two Pythagorean triplet will be what? M square plus 1 and m square minus 1. Therefore m square plus 1 equal m square plus 1 equal will be 7 square plus 1, that is 49 plus 1, that is 50. Another one is m square minus 1 equal 7 square minus 1 equal 49 minus 1 equal 48. So the three Pythagorean triplets are, one is 2m, another one is m square plus 1, another one is m square minus 1. So 2m is what? 14. 14. The next one is 50 and the another one is 14. These three are the Pythagorean triplet. This is the process how to find out the Pythagorean triplet. Whose one member is given, we have to find out the other two from this Pythagorean triplet. So I hope this will be helpful for you. You can understand better by this video, and please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel, that is Science Guru Sir Alok. Thanks for watching the video.